So this is part of the modification to the Hasbro Animatronic, the child or baby Yoda. I've added a relay that is controlled by an Arduino microcontroller. Basically how this works is the Arduino first turns on this relay. When the relay turns on, it connects this purple wire to the white wire on the normally open side of the relay. Once it does that, I send data from the Arduino. Basically, I put 5 volts or a logic high on the purple wire and hold that for about 75 milliseconds. And then I switch it from a logic high to a logic low, which is basically ground. And that change of voltage is sent through the white wire all the way up to the capacitive sensor that's in his head. There's a little metal plate in there connected to that white wire. And that sends a signal through another wire into the microcontroller, and that's what triggers the animation and the sound for the toy. Another modification I did is I got into his arm that moves. This is a moving arm with and you'll see a white and a red wire going up in there. The white and the red wire are connected to an LED, a blue LED with a resistor, and the Arduino will control that. So when the toy does its use the force move, the blue LED will glow, and so will his hand. And that's basically this part of the modification so far. The next step in the modifications is probably going to involve a couple of these wires here on the main power switch. There's a couple modes this thing operates in. When you put the switch in the center position, it is in what's called demo mode. And it only does one animation. It does its use the force move. So if I can't trigger the relay, you have to tap it 3 times in its normal run mode to do the use the force move. But if I can't get that to work reliably, I can add another relay and toggle those wires so that the use the force mode will be basically coming from its normal demo mode state. And I know it'll do that every time, so I'll know when. It'll be easy to know when to trigger the LED to make his arm glow. And that's about where I'm at on this hack so far.